All right, guys, I want to shoot a quick inspection video for this mobile home that I'm looking at. I'm doing an exterior walk around, show you guys what I'm looking for. See right here, this tin needs to be replaced. Look like they did some work on it, so that's an issue. Right here also, see there's a hole. I'm looking at the tongue. It looks pretty solid. See, they tore down the porch. I want to show too. I don't know if you can see the roof, but you see the rust spots, rust stains. So they may have an issue on the inside. So this is something when I get inside the home, I want to definitely check out. So I come here, looking at the roof. I'm looking at the axles of the home. Still have axles. Frames looks pretty solid. See this water spot down here, rust spot. It's definitely something to make note of. Looking for any cracked glass, cracked windows. Those will have to be replaced. I don't see any of them. Definitely want to check out these cross members, stuff like that, because if you saw the video I shot about a month or two back, all of these were bent and the frame was damaged, so it couldn't be hauled. So that's definitely something that you want to look at. So what's great about this is that the skirting is removed. So we can look at the frame, and with the frame you're just looking to see if anything is bent or anything is cracked, because that will definitely impact the move. Right here you see this is the water heater closet. Let's see if I can look on the inside. Alright guys, so I got this water heater closet open. You can see that this thing is pretty much shot. You see the roof, the floor is caving in. You can see the ground. I don't know if you can see it, but the wire is exposed. So this thing would definitely have to be replaced or checked out. And this is another negotiating point, that this will have to be replaced. This will cost money. This is probably about $1,000, $1,200 job to replace this. The water heater itself is about $500-700 bucks. So, and then to get a handyman to do this, it'll cost you some money, guys. So this is something to make note of. It's the water heater closet. You see this door, the paint is peeling off. Not only peeling off the doors, you see the insulation on the inside, so I'm pretty positive that they're getting some water on the inside. You can see the door is cracked open, so that's something to look for. Again, you see rust spots, water spots. All these things could be repaired, but that's something that you will deduct off of the price. These are all negotiating points. Guys, that's what I'm looking for when I'm looking at the outside of the home. And also with that roof, the tin roof on top, you can either cool seal it, this is something that they sell at like Home Depot. I'll see if I can put a picture on the screen. You can cool seal this thing, or you can just go on top of a new metal roof. So it'll cost you a couple of grand, but if you're looking for a long-term investment, that's definitely something to consider. So yeah guys, that's the exterior walk around, things that I'm looking for. See the AC unit. It looks like it doesn't work. It's pretty old, so that's not something that that's a plus for this home. But all right, guys, I just want to shoot this quick video and tell you what to look for when inspecting these homes. All right, thanks.